We're back at the post office
to pick up a mail call. One heck of a mail call in here. I don't even know how we're gonna get all this out. Let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, a bunch of other stuff. Oh my goodness. Where is all this coming from? This is junk mail. I didn't know you can get junk mail in a P.O. box. That should be illegal. And a little bit more right in there. All right, let's go open it up. All right, YouTube, here we go. I got these 4 packages in that I'm gonna open right now. One other one's gonna be for a separate video, but just wanted to get into these just so you guys know every one of these, as I understand it, is probably either gonna be giveaway wins or a sticker trade. I think one of them is a sticker trade. So I wanted to show you guys what they are, and of course the links to these channels, or even I think one of them is an Instagram channel. I'll put those in the description below, so make sure you check them all out. Let's go ahead and get started with this very first one. I think I can almost spot a sticker in there, but I'm not too sure, so let's get her open. All right, this is so awesome. We just got back today from Texas, so I ran into the post office to get this P.O. box mail real quickly before they loaded it up even more tomorrow. All right, so what do we have? Oh, cool. All right, so here we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. This is some cool stuff. All right, this is awesome. Let's see if we can see that. It looks like a couple of war nickels and a mercury dime. Let's open it up a little bit more. There we go. There it is. I'll have to get that gum off of there. But very cool. 1956, 2 shillings. That is awesome. And here we have a very old penny. Very pretty. These are my babies right here. I love these mercury dimes. And war nickels. You can see the P above that Monticello. Very cool. Awesome. All right, so these. Cool. All right, thank you so much, Tyler. You are awesome. And I'll set these aside. So anything I ever get as a giveaway or a gift always goes into a special box. That means I'm not selling it ever. It's not going anywhere. These stay with me. Whatever it is, it's always going to go there. So very awesome win. I'm very excited about that. Let's go on to the next one. But of course, if it's a sticker, the sticker will go on in the box for now, but eventually it's going to go on a sticker wall that I've got to take the time to make. But it's going to be cool. So either way. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, all right, what do we have? Silver Husky, thank you for supporting my channel. Best wishes, Coin Hound. All right, I got that cool sticker. That's one more for the board. Thank you, Coin Hound. There should be one that should be getting to you right about now as well. You might get it tomorrow, I'm not sure. That's a really cool sticker. I like the matte finish on that. So thank you, Coin Hound. You got an awesome channel. You're growing in big ways, so I'm excited to see your channel continue to grow, and that's going to be awesome. Thank you. All right, so his link is also going to be in the description below. The next one, let me just take a quick peek. Okay, so this one I can tell you is from Bradley's Coins. Let's see if I can get it here. A lot of you already know Bradley's Coins channel, but if you don't, the description will be down below. Let's see what we got. Okay, we'll start with this one. That's a cool sticker. Thank you, Bradley. Very cool. And he wrote my name on the back. How kind. All right, that's an extra sticker for the board. The board's going to fill up real quick. It's going to be awesome. And tape it in here. So slide around in transit. Let's see what we got. All right. You guys are really good at this packing tape stuff. So thankfully I've got one of these. Let's see if we can get this open. Here we go. I see them. I see them. You're in there. But I don't know how to get to them. Let's try this way. There we go. That should do it. Okay. So, this. You know, when I was in the Marines, what we would do is we would take people's car keys and we'd wrap them in about 40 layers of duct tape and put them back in their little cubby hole so that when our shift was over, everybody else would get to leave and they would kind of be stuck at work trying to cut out their keys. But that just kind of reminded me of that. How cool is this? Look at this. These are all 90%, all 1964. I am very impressed. So that is 85 cents face. He called this the Silver Snowman. All right, here we go. You got one, you got two, and there you go. There's the Silver Snowman. And that's such a cool term. I never heard it used before seeing it on their channel, but I think that that's super cool. And it's also cool that they're all the same year. So, very cool. Thank you so much, Bradley. You're awesome. And last one. This one I think I know what it is. A little bit heavier. Really great packaging, so thank you there. And let's go ahead and get that open. I do love this knife. It's like my unboxing knife. I think you need to have a good unboxing knife in your life. There we go. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see what we got. Let me make sure I can read this to you guys. Okay, yeah. Silver Husky81, congratulations on your 2 wins. Hope you are happy with the Asahi round and the Year of the Dog. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. Also, thank you for supporting my channel. It means a lot. And so this is Lone Silver StAg. So I'm going to put his link below. Another awesome sticker to go on the board. I'm very excited about that. Let's see if I can carefully perform some surgery on this. There we go. That's a great sticker. I love it. Cool. Okay, so it was funny because I was just talking about how I really wanted an Asahi round, and sure enough, he had a giveaway where he was giving away an Asahi round, and somehow I won. Fun fact about this guy, he actually enjoys pyrotechnics, so his Christmas was just yesterday on the 4th of July, because that's his favorite holiday when it comes to pyrotechnics. All right, so let's start with this beauty right here. That is a really cool round. This is the new model, the new version of the Asahi rounds. They have a nice finish to them, really sleek design. I love it. I actually have one of their older bars, but I did not have one of these. So now I completed the set. So I'm going to keep that just like that. And again, it's going to go in the box. It's never going to come out because that's the permastack. And then this beautiful little 1/2 ounce. I've got this in 10 ounce, 2 ounce, 1 ounce, and I do have actually I should say my daughter has a 1/2 ounce, so now I have a 1/2 ounce. It's a really cool Year of the Dog. Has the German Shepherd and the baby pup right next to it. So awesome giveaway prize, both of them. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lone Silver StAg, and his information will be in the description below. So all in all, really great mail call, and I just want to thank the community for being as awesome as you are. And please support these channels. Go subscribe, like, check them out. Tell them Silver Husky sent you if you're not already following them. So we'll see you guys next time.